purple people eaters coming right along. Man, I like how that chrome. Sweetheart Sprocket, 32 teeth. Chrome rent. I think it's 170 millimeter. No, they 165. I lied. 165 millimeter cranks. PlayStation pedals. Rainbow chain. We going crazy.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Look at that. Gone. From the goo. Yeah. This frame ain't bad at all. Wait till I wash and wax it, how icy it get. Just wait. Look like it been Christmas. All these parts. All these parts that we ain't got. Almost done. Our jet fuel 29. We got our chain. You'll see what it looks like in a minute. Sprocket. Spline spindle. Bottom bracket. Headset. Brake line. Chain tensioner. We got our wheels. 29-inch, of course. Front and back. For purple people eater, 26er, and we're rebuilding from a mountain bike to a fun bike, whatever you want to call it. BMX style, wheelie style bike. Just got out the car wash, bike wash, whatever you. I said car wash. Just washed it outside. Chrome forks. Headset, we got some lights for each of our bikes. It's a set of 4. Headset with some spacers. I had to order some more spacers from Pork Chop because this fork has some extra length on it, so I'm not complaining, but it'll be, I don't want the threads to be showing, so gonna need some more spacers. Our sprocket is here. What do they call it? Something heart, something. I don't know. But it's here. Got some washers and lock nuts to line up that back wheel accordingly. You know, we're converting it. These are jet fuel wheels. From there, since we're putting 29 on there, we're gonna put the jet fuel wheels on this one. We got our brake levers, silver chrome. Stem from the jet fuel, we gonna recycle. Grips, V-brakes, pedals, bottom bracket, chain, cranks, spindle, bars. I'm just waiting on my brake line for this one. And was there something else I was waiting on? I did get some gold V-brakes for this one. I found some cheap ones on Amazon I'm gonna try out. I also got some purple stem bolts. They were like $9, so I just said I'm gonna going all the way anyway, so I might as well keep going all the way. That's it that we're waiting on. But I'm about to start building it and getting both of these going. Then the next week we're gonna have 2 more bikes in the fleet rolling. Let go. So we can see a lot of progress has been made. Got this back wheel fitted in the line. Had to put some, I put some spacers with some with a lock nut on the outside. See how that stays in place. Had to do that so the wheels lined up straight in this wheel well. Back here, just lined it up with this frame. Hopefully it lines up good. The chain, we get to roll. But I got the cranks on, pedals, bottom bracket, spacers and everything. These cranks look good. With the PlayStation pedals, if you know, you know. KMC rainbow chain, that joint icy. Man, I'm mad about that. It's a 1-inch headset, but for some reason the cups are not 30 millimeters like the 1-inch should be. They're 32, like a 1 1/8. So I gotta order another set of cups. They're gonna be black like the original ones that came off instead of purple. But I wanted some new ones with seal bearings, so at least it'll have the purple spacers in the top. And that piece that's already on there, that purple piece will be there, but I couldn't get the crown race on. Pretty sure that's because it was the wrong size. But I got the bars and everything fitted on. Pretty upset about these. Gotta pay attention when you're buying stuff off eBay. It's not aluminum. This is aluminum, or maybe aluminum, but this is plastic. So gonna get rid of these cheap bars and brake lever soon, but for now I'm just run them to get me going, get me on the road. But headset will be here in a couple days, and so will the tube. Wiped out on my main bike, so I had to borrow the tube off of this one. So waiting on tube for this one and my other 29er tubes and stuff. But purple people eaters coming right along. Man, I like how that chrome. Sweetheart Sprocket, 32 teeth. Chrome rent. I think it's 170 millimeter. No, they 165. I lied. 165 millimeter cranks. PlayStation pedals. Rainbow chain, we going crazy. I like how this build is turning out. I like how that chrome forks look, black. Yeah, you're gonna get some chrome bars. It's gonna really look real icy. And we got the brakes on there too. Silver chrome brakes. They cheap, but they look nice, and they made of aluminum, so they get the job done. Oh yeah, it's gonna be one of them ones. I'm gonna keep this one for sure. There you go.